Have you ever wondered if there's any good exchange out there where you can instantly convert your USDT to Naira? Then worry no more, because in this video I'm going to be revealing exactly that to you. Stick with me as I reveal this very big secret that a lot of people do not actually know. In this video, you're going to be learning how to transfer any token or sell any token from your decentralized wallet to an exchange. Okay, I'm going to be revealing this exchange shortly, right? But this video is basically how to sell or move your asset from your decentralized wallet to an exchange that is not Bybit or BitGet and withdraw this money directly to your bank account, right? So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using the wallet called Trust Wallet, right? This is the DEX wallet called Trust Wallet. If you want to learn how to sell on exchanges, I've done a tutorial for Bybit and I'll leave the link in the description of this video. So we're going to be transferring our USDT to this very exchange I'm going to be revealing to you in a moment, right? So you can see right here we have about 14 USDT, and before we would carry out any transaction on DEX wallet, you always know that you have to provide gas fee, right? So I'm going to be moving about 3 USDT to purchase the Binance Smart Chain, right? And this very USDT is on the Binance chain, so I'm going to be buying 3 USDT of Binance Smart Chain so that this would cover for the gas fee. That is even more than enough, but I'm just buying that, right, just for more transaction I'm going to be doing later on. So I'm just going to click on USDT right now and I'm going to click on swap, and once I click on swap right now, this is going to bring us to this page. Now this is going to show you several functions right here, but the one you're meant to look at is the slippage, right, which is this little edit icon right here. But I'm going to be leaving it as 0.5 slippage, and I'm going to be clicking on continue right now. Now if you want a full tutorial on how to swap tokens on Trust Wallet, you can check the description of this video because I've created a video for that, right? So you can check the description and follow that very video. So I'm just going to do this real quick so I'll be able to transfer this very USDT to this very exchange right now. So once you successfully swapped a bit of your USDT for the Binance Smart Chain to cover for gas fee, the next thing you're meant to do right now is to head over to your Google Play Store or Apple Store and search for the exchange called Monica. Now this exchange is tailored for the Nigerian audience, and what it does is that when you transfer USDT to this very exchange, it automatically converts it to Naira, right? And on this very exchange, the rate is as good as the Bybit exchange, and you get to transfer cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, BNB coin, Solana, USDT, and USDC. So this is one of the beauties of this very platform, right? So you just go ahead and download this very platform, right? If you already have the Monica app on your phone, then go ahead and update this very app and stick to the very end because there's still a few things you could learn from this very video. So I'm just going to go ahead right now and open up the Monica app and log in immediately. So once you're logged in right now, you're going to see two functions, which is transfer and deposit, right? So if you're trying to deposit your cryptocurrency to this very platform, you have to click on the deposit option because that's what we'll be using, right? The transfer is when you want to move this to your bank account. This is basically how it works. Now if you click on the deposit right now, you're going to see this very notice right here. You can read this up for yourself. You can see that they are reliable. I've been using this platform. You can see my transaction right here. I've used this platform to do transaction worth over 1 million Naira, and this guys has never failed me for once. Monica is very reliable, and if you want to hop in right now, I would suggest you use my invite code, which is money540104. Now you don't really have to use that. You can use another invite code if you choose to, but if you really want to compensate me for creating this very video for you, then you can use my invite code, but it's not compulsory, right? But I'll leave that up on the screen right now and in the video description. So let's continue. Now click deposits. The next thing you want to do right now after clicking on deposits is to click that green I understand button, and once you click on it, you get to see a list of cryptocurrency transactions you can do right here. You can see there's the BNB, there's the Ethereum, the Bitcoin, the Tron, the Tether USDT. There is now an addition of Solana, and there is USDT. So I'm just going to click on USDT and I'm going to be selecting the Binance chain. Remember, we are dealing with the Binance chain right here. Do not send USDT for Ethereum chain right here because it's going to disappear, right? So you have to look at the chain. Very important, right? Very important. Remember, in the swap, there's the chain right there. You have to pay attention to the chain, Very, very important. So you're also going to see the conversion rate and the minimum deposits you can make. You can see the minimum deposit right now, as at the time of creating this very video, is 5 USDT. So once you're okay with this, you can now go ahead and copy your wallet address for the USDT PEP20. Pay attention to the USDT PEP20. That is what you're going to be sending to this very wallet. You can copy your wallet address right now, and then you click on done, and then you head back to your Trust wallet right now. Once you head back to your Trust wallet, you go ahead and click on the send right here, right? You have to click on USDT, then you click on send, and then you fix in your wallet address right there. Then you type in the amount you want to send, and then you click next. After clicking on next, you click on confirm, and you can see this transaction is processing, and boom, we just received a notification right now, and this notification says that we have received 11.6 USDT in our Monica.ng account. And if I just refresh this right now, you're going to see this right here. So as at the time of creating this very video, this is actually worth 18,903. So I'm just going to head back right now, so you can see that this very transaction appeared almost immediately, very fast, and this works based on this very conversion rate right here. So I'm just going to refresh this right now, and if I want to transfer this to my bank account, I'll just have to click on transfer and follow the on-screen instruction. But it's always advised to come over to the provide section and then click on the customer support and ask if transfers for your bank is available at the moment, because sometimes it might not be available. So it's best you contact the support before you make a transaction, but most times I don't. And the beauty of this very platform is that you don't even have to, do the KYC and all that before you be able to carry out your transaction on Monica. You can just hop in and start carrying out your transaction. But to do the KYC is also important. But I haven't done my KYC up to this very moment, and I've been doing transaction on this very platform, right? Now this is the beauty of it. If we head back to the Trust wallet right now, you can see that this transaction has gone through. The USDT has disappeared, meaning that the transaction has gone through. Now back to the Monica app. To transfer this very token, you have to click on transfer right here, and then you click on bank account. You're not transferring to a Monica user. If you're transferring to a Monica user, you're literally transferring to a Monica user's app, right? But we're transferring to our bank account, so we're going to select bank account because that's what we're going to be using for the purpose of this very video. Now once you click on bank account, you'll be asked to select your bank name, right? So click on this very drop down arrow, type in your bank. It is very important to type in your bank. You can type in any bank of your choice, whether it's First Bank, you type that in. If it's UBA Bank, you type that in. If it's Guaranteed Trust Bank, which is GTB, you type that in. They literally have all bank you can think of in Nigeria, right? So once you select your bank, you want to type in your account number, and once you type in your account number, just so you don't repeat the process again, you save as beneficiary by taking this very little checkbox right here. And once you tick that, you go ahead and click on the next, right? And yes, once you do that, you can now go ahead and type in the amount you want to withdraw to your bank account. So I'm just going to type in 17,700, and that is because you cannot transfer entirely everything you see on your balance right there. You have to leave some change. This is basically how this works. And then you go ahead and click on confirm, and then you can see right here that the transfer fee is free. There's no transfer fee, so you go ahead and click on confirm, and then you go ahead and enter your PIN. Very important. You cannot carry out this transaction if you don't enter your PIN. So you can see transfer successful. We have successfully sent 17,700 to this very account. So we're going to wait for this very transaction to appear in our bank accounts right now. And if for any reason anything goes wrong, you always have the customer support to lay your complaints to. They are responsive, but I wouldn't say very responsive. And this is me being transparent, right? They're not like very responsive as the last time I traded with them, but they are still responsive, right? They have like a 15 minutes response rate, and I believe that's because they don't really have a large force, but the platform is very okay when it comes to trading, right? So this is basically what you need to know. This is how you transfer it from a DEX wallet and withdraw to your Nigerian Naira account. Really easy, really simple. The best Bybit alternative. Like I said before, Monica.cash is the exchange, and you'll find my code in the video description. Like I said, it's totally a choice if you decide to use that, right? No pressure. So this is the video I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section, and I'll try my best to respond as soon as I see it. If you did enjoy the video, then leave a like, share this video so that those who need it would actually benefit from it. If you like videos like this, then subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video I'm going to be creating. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.